I will talk about this one, then I will go for this one. So for first go to the Oracle SQL Developer. Add here, this is my source table and this is my target table. Target table, nothing is there. So go to the designer and create one mapping and give main mapping name in interview. Fine. This intro. So at here we have one source table src and import the target table tct. So from here now I will do the mapping by using Java transformation. So just click Java and at here I will use active Java transformation. So from here after um, first we have to create port. So two input port and two output port. This one is for decimal number. This one is number. At here give input port name in Col1 and at here in Col2. At here out Col1 and at here out Col2. So go to Java code at here select on delete. Now let's start writing code. So first I will take double I variable and I will write for loop for I equal to 2 and at here giving condition I equal to 1 and in call2 equal to 2.5. So from here after out call1 the in call1 value will goes to out call1 and at here out call2 value goes to in call2 value goes to out call1 by and minus I. So at here first we will generate the rows and I will use I equal to I minus 0.5. So I will explain how the program is executed. First I will write the code. So now if I double equal to 1.5. So right there out call to just copy this one and paste it here. So this is for 2.5. 2.5 value is term. So that will dump out terms. Now let's write the code for SAM 1.5 value. So copy this bunch of code from for loop and paste it here. The value will be item 1 and add here 0 and add here 1. And no need to use if condition. Just remove this. And hereafter cut this and paste it here. Now this value is for Sam. Now copy code again, paste it here. Now write the code for again copy this code for output and paste here, and the value of jack is 3. So right here I equal to 2 and I equal to 1, and instead of 2.5 we will use 3 for jack, and add here out call 1 equal to in call 1, out call 2 equal to that's my for hereafter we won't do any subtraction if I value is true, then that will generate the rows 2 times. Now I think code is done. So compile this code. Okay, one more thing. This is for initialization. For loop having three parameter. One is for initialization, second for check condition check, and add here for increment decrement. So we have to give 3 or 2 semicolon. I think I missed everything. So here 2 and add here 2. Now compile again. So add here java.line.string income variable types. Let's check imports. Okay, this is a string, so we have to give decimal, and this one is a string. Same mistake. Now compile. So Java code compilation successful. Apply and OK. So these two columns drag into input port of Java transformation, and this two output port of Java transformation drag into target. And let's see how to save this one and create session is into so interview file is now mapping this into give actual target table change to target node type normal add here truncate target table, and after press apply. Okay, take link task, make a connection to session with workflow designer. Now Control S. Let's execute. Start task and see it's running. Too many rows right there. Let's first import and see. So right here double equal to I. After I equal to 1, I greater than in column 2.5. So here to output port in column 1 in column 2 and generate the rows and I equal to I minus 0.5 if I equal to this 1.5, then that will in column 2 minus this is right. For I equal to 1, I greater than 0 and I equal to 1.5. Then out column this one and I equal to I minus 0.5, right? Now this one for I equal to this will start with 2 and I greater than 1, right? And in call 2 equal to 3. Right here we have to use I minus minus. Then everything is right now. So compile again. Yes, okay. Control S and refresh session. Now execute again. So now I'm getting rows is 8. So go to icon SQL developer, here execute. So Tom 3 times and Sam 2 times and Jack 3 times. So getting 8, but this one is in decreasing order. So change the order. Take one sorter transformation, drag 2 columns. Right here use both are in descending order. Connect to and drag into target. And after replace session, Control S and execute it. Start task. So now getting again 8 arrows. Let's execute it. So look at that. Tom 1, Tom 1, 0.5, Sam 1 and 0.5, Jack 3 times 1. So this is the output. I have to load in target. So now I get. So next is I will show you try run method of Java code. So how the Java code is running at the I will show here. So let's copy this code and take one blank page, open with paints, select the areas, Ctrl B. So we have one double type of variable I and another. This is for whatever the name that will goes to the odd call. So Tom is the name that will how many times our generator is executed according to the that will generate. So another is odd call to odd call to. So in integer the value is 2. I'm going to talk about this one. So I equal to 2. So at here after this that will goes to inside of on this one at here that will check the condition. So I equal to I greater than 1. So 2 greater than 1 condition is true and in call 2 equal to 2.5. So in call that will goes at there and check in call equal to 2.5. So in means at here in call 2 means Java transformation the in call 2 value this value the call 2 value goes to in call 2. So in call 2 the one value is 2.5. So that condition is also true. So from here after that will goes inside at there and odd call 1. So whatever the name is Tom, so that will goes to odd call 1. At here after this odd call 2 equal to in call 2 minus I. So in call 2 value is 2.5 and minus I. So 2. So output will be 0.5 that will print. So from our output then that will generate the row. So this will generate again after that will comes to this part I equal to I minus 0.5 then this will become 1.5. So I equal to then there will go and I equal to 1.5. So right here after this that will goes to there. So this is getting 1.5 then that will goes to at outcome with in call to value is means in call to is 2.5. So in call to equal to 2.5 and at here I value is 1.5. Though then the value is 2.5 minus 1.5 equal to 1. So that will generate the row again. So from here after that will generate and again the value is that will goes and there is nothing so that will goes inside the at here that will check I greater than equal to 1 so 1.5 is greater and this value is also matched. So at here that will print so that will print and all out call 2 equal to in call 2 minus I. So in call 2 value is 2.5 and I value is 1.5. So 2.5 and minus 1.5. So this value gives 1. So then that will generate row. Then again this will come then that will again generate the rows. From here after I equal to I minus 0.5, then that will become minus zero point 0.5, then that will become 1. So this condition is not true. So again that will goes to there, and here no any operation increment decrement, so that will goes inside. At here 1 greater than 1 condition is false, so that will terminate, and next for loop will continue after. Now our control will comes to this point. So at here for I equal to 1, so this is 1, and at here that will check 1 greater than 0 and in col2 equal to 1.5. So at here 1 value is 1.5. Col1 equal to sum and col2 equal to 1.5. It's true. Then what will happen again? So this condition is true because 1 greater than 0 and in col2 equal to 1.5. So that will goes inside at the at that will print whatever the name Sam is there, Sam will print and out col2. So at here in col2, so in col2 equal to 1.5 and I equal to 1. So that will print 0.5 with Sam, and after this I gonna decrease. So I value equal to I minus 0.5. So 1 minus 0.5 will 0.5 0.5. So at here that will generate the row. So this will generate with Sam. So again here after that will goes, but increment decrement nothing is there. So that will goes and check the condition. So 0.5 is greater than 0 condition is true, and in col2 equal to 1.5 in col2 equal to 1.5 condition is also true. Both condition is true, then that will goes inside. At that will print the Sam value goes to col1, and at in col2. So in col2 values is 1.5 and I value is 0.5. So 1.5 equal to 1. So at that will print 1 and Sam. So 0.5 Sam and 1 Sam. So see that Sam 1. I just reverse, that's why it is in descending order. So Sam 0.1 and Sam 1.1. This will print. So next part is this one. So at here I value is 2 and I greater than 1. So 2 is greater than 1 and in col2 equal to 3. So 1 value is 3 and in source 1 value is 3. So condition is true. So hereafter that will both condition is true. So that will goes at inside there. So at out col1 equal to in col1. So at the check name is there, so that will print, and out call 2 equal to in col2 minus 1. So in col2 equal to 3, 3 minus I value is 2. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. 1 with jack, and generate that will generate the rows. From here after that will pass. So I double equal to 2. So condition is true because I value is decreased to 2. So at that will goes inside. Then in col2, so in col2 value is 2, in col2 value is 3, sorry. and I value is 2. So that will 2 times generate the rows. So 1 time jack, 1 more time jack. So from here after that will goes and decrease the value of I. Now I become 1. So 1 greater than that will check condition 1 greater than 1 condition false, and in Col2 value is this is matched but this one condition false, then that will terminate the loops. So 3 times 1 paint with jack. So look at the 3 times jack. Now next is suppose anybody is like to print the values or change the value, otherwise add the row like in source, double click data, add the rows like Adam, and add here change the value 4.5. So how to solve this? So add here this value is 4.5. Then I have to write 1 4 times and 0.5 1 times. So I add call is Adam and call2 is 4.5. So let's open Java transformation and do simple modification just to copy this code 2.5 values and paste it down. So add here instead of 2.5 change to 4.5 and add here used I value greater than 3 and this value will start from 4 and the same thing Ctrl X and add here paste, but add here change 3.5, then that will generate the rows 3 times. Now compile. So compilation is successful. Just copy this code. I will show you how this will execute. Write trial method, apply and OK. Save that and replace the session, Ctrl S and execute the start task. So it's running. So getting 30 rows. Look at the item is 1 1 4 times and 0.5 is involved. So 1 1 0.5. So everything is okay. Now take the blank piece this one select the areas and right here control V. So for here after the value of I equal to 4 and in col2 equal to 4.5. So that will check the condition first. I greater than 3, so 4 is greater than 3. In col2 4.5 is there or not, so this is there, both condition it match. So that will goes to there. Out col1 equal to in col1 and out col2 equal to in col2. So in col2 value is 4.5 minus I value is 4. So that will print 0.5 and I equal to I minus 0.5. So this will become 0.5. That will generate the rows with item. So that will check and then I value is 3.5. The condition is true. So out call 2 in call 2 equal to 4.5 and I value is 3.5. So the value will become 4.5 minus 3.5 equal to 1. So that will generate 3 times 1 values. 3 times. Again from here after that will goes, but here is no any values. So I value is 3.5. Condition is true. That will goes again inside. Then that will print jack again and add here in call2 equal to 3.5 and 3.5 minus in call2 equal to 4.5 and I value is 3.5. So that will then I equal to I minus 0.5. So I become 3. So one time that will execute 1 because this condition is true. And from here after that will check I value is 3, so condition false, so that will terminate. Not terminate, then again that will goes right here, then check 3 greater than 3 condition false, so from here after that will terminate. Now after this, uh, open this one, so I will talk about this part. If generating sequence is difficult, so let's generate sequence and see is it really difficult or not. So goes to Java transformation and here first I'm going to remove this part in SRC. I like to remove random column and after so here after Java code no need to write item parts of folder. So here after take one integer. First we have to create one port integer type in sequence. The data type is integer output sequence out sequence data type will be integer. So here after in sequence value initialize with 1 and after at insert out sequence equal to in sequence plus copy this and if the value is 1.5 then again used in sequence and hereafter at this part control V and after this part. So okay, control V at here at upper and goes to if I equal to 2 then at first at here and after generating one row that will increase. So finally code is done, compile. One more thing is there, this is a descending order. First I like to remove this target instead of this one. I will add and drag this curve and stabilize the link. So get mapping is valid. So from here after go to workflow, refresh this one, Control S. So our target is TGT and change normal truncate target table. Everything is done. Apply. Control S. Now execute this one. So 8 rows applied and affected. So TGT only. Okay, their sequence is creating, but our requirement is 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. What I have 1 2 3 1 2 no 2 1 1 2 3. So this is right, but I have 1 7 0.1. So just change in ascending order this way. So by default all sequence is ascending in order. So by actually the thing is that 0 point is value is means compared to 1 this is a small, so that value is sequence start from 0.1 lesser values and this is a bigger, and at here 0.5 is a lesser value, that's why it's start from 1 and 2 or this is a same 2 3. Now at here just change to ascending order. Both. Now apply and OK. Replace session, Control S and execute. Restart task and let's see. It was applied and affected. DGT only. So look at that sequence 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. It's a right format, but one thing is that Jack is first because Col1 is ascending order. So disable this one. Or descending order, put it control. It was applied and affected. Select DGT. So item 1 to 3 is in ascending order and down 7. So this one is descending order. 0.511. This is for this one. So if I applied a sequence, then we can use we can miss 0.5 is lowest values. So this is ascending order format. This one is descending. But if I change this one is in descending order, then 0.5 will come 0.5 triple one. So what will happen at that will take one to then that will reverse, then that will become that will also change. So let's check. I'm going to reverse Col2 in descending order. Col2 in descending order. So look at this, sequence is also getting changed without doing anything. So if I reverse, so we can't do this format, or we can do 1 2 3, then 0.511, then 1 to 0.51, 1 2 3, and triple one. This will be the same. Now hereafter, uh, code is good. Previous code is good. When Col2 is a small number like 2.5, 1.53. But suppose if Col2 have means a number like 9.5, 8.5 more than 10. So using generate row many times is the not the right way of coding. So instead of this, uh, use first I'm going to delete in sequence. generating ports. Now add here, this is 2.5. So 2.5. So this is not this. We can write the code uh, uh, generating two times sequence generator. But suppose if we have call2 is 8.59, so how can I do that things? So let's see. His in call2 is 8.5. So first I will initialize uh, I equal to 8 and will give the condition I greater than 7 and in call2 double equal to 8. So at here I equal to 8, then 8 greater than 7 condition is true, and in call2 there is one value is 8.5. uh, so here is 8.5, both is match, then that will goes inside there. So from here after odd call 1, in call 1 value goes to odd call 1 and in call 2 value minus 1. So in call 1 value is 8.5 and I equal to 8. So the value is 0.5 will goes to odd call 2. So I equal to I minus 0.5. So I value is 8. So that will become I become 7.5. So I don't no need to generate sequence. So by using generate row, the value will be at 0.5 and I become 7.5. So right here, that will I will use inner for loop to avoid many times of generate row. Use inner for loop. So inner for loop, I will take one variable integer type, start with 1 and j because I equal to 8, so that I will start till 8 will loop will continue. So action odd call 2 in call 2 equal to in 8.5 and I equal to after this that will become 7.5. So this value is gives 1. So 1 will generate 8 times. So this is the logic to avoid many times of generator. At here we'll take 9. I will take 9, call to equal to 9. So at here, the same logic, I equal to 8. I, so 8 greater than 7, condition is true. In call to double equal to 9, is there 9? So 9 is there. So that will goes inner for loop for j equal to 1. Due to 9, that will continue till 9. So at here, out call 1. So in call 1 values goes to there. And add here in call2. In call2 value is 9. 9 minus 8. So that will become 1. So that will generate 1 or till 9. So this is the logic to generate if we have more number of in call miss values. So by using instead of generating generator many times, just use inner for loop. So now compile. So in call is somewhere we have to remove in call is there. So I'm not generating sequence number. Now execute one more time. In call variable one more inside there. Add call add sequence. So in call now execute compile one more time. sequence. After where out sequence equal plus plus. Now Java code comparison successfully. So here after I'm just changing the target table instead density to so select both to control S and replace the session and start task. Look at here after it's running state. So total density 22 rows applied and affected. So let's see. I execute this one. So look at the intern. There is a sequence from the intern because I did not. Sorry, this is TCT double T. My target is TZ double T. Now execute. Look at the Adam is 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Adam is Adam is not in there. Okay, first truncate the table. Target load order. So that will remove previous data. Now execute. Now look, this is a test data. So Tom is 2.5. Tom is 2.5. So 2 times 1 and 1 times 0.5. Sam is how many times? Sam is 8.5. Balance is 8.5. So 8 times 1 will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 1 and 0.5. And Jack is I think 9 times. 9 times, then Jack will come 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So uh, by using inner for loop, we can avoid to use many times of generator in Java transformation.